Hey guys, what's going on? We are back with another video, and today we are going to be doing kind of an unboxing of this carbon fiber deck lid that I got. So let's get right into it. All right guys, so as you can see here, we have the deck lid. Obviously it's fake carbon, but I'd say it looks really good. It wouldn't make sense to buy the real carbon because it's way too expensive, but I mean, this looks pretty sick, and it's definitely gonna look good with the taillight blackouts that we went over in the last episode that I got. Here's the back. So it's basically just all these things. We'll be installing this sometime in the next few months. So yeah, hopefully this will be an easy install. It was only like $120, I think, so not a horrible price, and it looks great, and it's gonna change the look of your rear of your car. So I think it's really sick. So yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.